Getting started is always the hardest, but once you get the ball rolling, even the hardest task doesn't seem so overwhelming. You have probably heard about the art of showing up or the 1-minute rule. The goal for both is to get things moving in the right direction. They both succeed in that, as long as you have enough self-discipline and/or motivation to practice them. A little trick to make that part easier is to finish the day by leaving a small, 5 to 10%, but crucial part of the last task undone. That small part will leave you waiting for the next time you can continue the task, so that you can complete it and tick it off your list. Now, this would happen also if you left a bigger part of the task for the next time. But there is an additional benefit of leaving only a small amount of work for the next time. When you start working again, completing the task doesn't seem like an overwhelming and time-consuming thing to do. Instead, you complete the remaining 5 to 10% quickly and effortlessly. And as a bonus, you will treat your brain with a little boost of dopamine. Having an effortless start, in combination with feeling good from completing a task, becomes the momentum for the rest of the day. You are already in the groove, and motivated to tackle new tasks. This approach allows you to hack your own brain's neurochemicals to avoid falling into the procrastination trap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, make sure to hit that bell button, so you wouldn't miss a new video from Minderize.